Trump's incredible hair. Did he have hair transplants? Stay tuned to find out. Donald Trump's hair. Rod, you and Donald are good friends. I mean, everybody just wants to know. His hair, just the greatness of his hair. It's incredible. I mean, did he have hair transplants? And hair transplants in general are just, the technology has advanced so much. What do you think?
Well, I mean, is it real or fake news? I don't think this is fake news. I mean, Donald Trump, if you look at him in his younger years and now, I mean, his hair just looked similar. I mean, granted, when he was going across the tarmac, it would blow and it kind of stand up. But, I think it's pretty obvious that he's had multiple hair transplants. And I think there was a Newsweek article recently about it that said the same thing. And I don't think that's any big news other than the fact that it looks pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, look, the guy, he's got like hockey hair. He's got great flow. My son's hockey teammates, they all would be proud because of Donald Trump.
You got good hair, Bill.
Yeah, like our team always says it's all about the flow. And
flow.
Yeah, Donald has great flow. When we were doing our plastic surgery training,
right,
there wasn't these options. Now there's so much better options for hair loss patients.
Right. They used to be strips, and now it's single follicles. It's unbelievable. That's why it looks natural, because literally the people that do this, they're specialists. There's multiple technicians. They're led by either a derm or some type of physician or plastic surgeon, and they just set the hairline, and then these people do it for 6-8 hours. It's unbelievable. Yeah. And it's 1 or 2 sessions, and I think it looks good. I mean, it's really become a huge industry. In fact, the hair transplant capital of the world is in Turkey. It's in Istanbul. I just came back recently from Istanbul, and I'd say there was almost a dozen people on there that had their hair transplants, and they were good. Yeah, so it's pretty amazing, and it looks fairly natural.
And typically people lose kind of frontoparietal, they call it,
right,
the front and side of their head, but the occipital hair is more hardy, right?
Right,
so
and that's where they get the donor side. In the past, they used to make this big scar incision here, and now they just take it out with follicles and put it in, and it's actually almost scarless. It looks really good, and sometimes it takes a couple of sessions. If you want to do it, I think go to somebody or some place that does it a lot. I think the average physician, certainly the average plastic surgeon, we don't do it. I mean, I send all of mine out, and because you got to do it with somebody that does. That's all they do.
Yeah.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
All right.
That's great stuff, Rod. But I think you're really going to like this real or fake story just on Hey Doc.